Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we're going to tackle a very common task, connecting your Bluehost domain to your WordPress website. This guide is perfect for you if you bought your domain name from Bluehost but your WordPress site is actually hosted with a different company. It might sound a little technical, but I promise it's a straightforward process that we will walk through together. We will break it all down into simple, easy-to-follow steps so you can get your website live on your domain. The very first step is to get one crucial piece of information, the IP address of your WordPress hosting server. Your hosting provider gives you this information. You can usually find it in the welcome email they sent you when you signed up, or you can find it inside your hosting control panel, which is often called cPanel. An IP address is just a series of numbers separated by dots, so go ahead and find it, then copy it. We will need it in just a moment. Now, you need to log into your Bluehost account. Once you are logged into your Bluehost dashboard, look for the Domains tab on the left-hand menu and give that a click. This will show you a list of all the domains you own with Bluehost. Find the specific domain name you want to connect and click on it to manage it. On the next screen, you are looking for a settings tab called DNS or DNS Management. Click on that to open your domain's core records. This page might look a bit complex with all its different records, but don't worry, we only need to change one main thing. Look through the list for a record with the type listed as A. This is your record, and its job is to point your domain name to a specific IP address. The host for this primary record is usually an @ symbol, which simply represents your main domain. Find the Edit button next to this record. In the field that says Points to, you will see an existing IP address. You need to delete that old IP address and paste in the new IP address from your WordPress host that you copied earlier. You can leave the other settings like TTL, which stands for Time to Live, at their default values. Once you've pasted the new IP address, click Save. We also want to make sure the www version of your site works correctly. Look for a record with the type name and the host as www. This record should be pointing to your main domain, which is often represented by that symbol. This ensures that whether someone types www.yourdomain.com or just yourdomain.com, they land on your website. After you've saved your changes, you have to wait. This process is called DNS propagation, and it means your changes are being updated on servers all across the internet. This is not instant. It can sometimes take just a few minutes, but it can also take up to 48 hours, so please be patient. You have done your part correctly, and now you just need to wait for the global system to catch up. After waiting for a little while, you can check if it worked by typing your domain name into a web browser. If your WordPress site loads, then congratulations, you've done it successfully. If not, try clearing your browser's cache or opening an incognito window. And that is how you connect your Bluehost domain to your WordPress installation. I hope this video made the process simple and stress-free for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow guides and WordPress tips. We'll see you in the next video.